Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Kumari and you watching me Glossary of English. So today we're gonna discuss about that it's never too late for English. Yes, and without any further delay, let's get started into the video. And what is it's never too late. Just listen to me carefully, all whole video, okay? If you are very serious about it, you do not skip it, and if you are not serious, you just skip and go other video if you like, okay? So, what is this? You have to first point do it now. What is the meaning? Abhi karo. It's never too late. Do it now. Take it, you have to task for yourself. You just say yourself that I am learning English, okay? I daily practicing English, okay? And take it seriously. If you are very passionate, if you are very hungry for English, if you know about the importance of English, okay? If you know the reason that why you have to start it, if you know the why I am not selected in any job because of what is the reason? The reason is you have to not speak in English because it is very essential part of your life, if your career and your growth also. Okay, so if you know the importance, if you really know the importance, you have to start it now. And even most of the people start also, okay? So do not too much think, देर नहीं हुई है अभी अभी आप start कर सकते हो. And you have just 2024 is July in the ending time it is, and you have to just August, September, October, and November and December. 5 months you have to just start it, okay? Yes, if I talk about that it is so easy, no. I also ask it. It's never be easy, but when you doing yourself, you just happy. You have take a small also. Okay, you have to take a step for yourself to speak English because it's a really need of English. Okay, that's all. So you have to take a help for sticky notes. I have to see it, you what is the sticky notes. And okay, this is the sticky notes. You take it a help, write it and stick on your wall, and do it and see. First of all, you see, observe it, and ask for yourself that today I am starting English and starting studying. And start, you have to new any skill, you have to just force and push yourself. That is why you have to use it notes. And it is used also a studying notes. Whenever you read anything, whenever you have to make a diagram, make a any part of your study topics, you have to just write it and stick it, okay? So that's all. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like it. And if you have any query, just like it and do in the comment box if you are any query. So do it now, it's never too late, okay? See you in the next video. Thank you so much.